Yeah, so last night we had Nesto tropical storm come through. This big old limb I threw over here by the ditch was in front of my RV. There was tree limbs everywhere. About 2 a.m., well before 2 a.m., we had a tornado warning that I wasn't aware of until this morning. I do know that it was raising Cane. And anyway, today, being Sunday and the last day of the fair, it's been cloudy and breezy all day. And I'm out here looking at these clouds, and I'm seeing a red, orange tone, really a red tone to just certain spots in the clouds. But it's been like this all day. Real kind of dismal looking. As I said, we've had tree limbs down. Of course, y'all know I was in my RV. And you see, there's more little tree limbs. Zeusy, you so loud. You so loud, Zeus. And then, see, I'm up there on top of my RV. I haven't got up there to look. But yeah, thank God we didn't get too much, But, like I said, the tornado warning did do damage down in Myrtle Beach, which is right down the road. I want to show you we got pink sky all the way down. Let me see if I can get this. Zoom in a little for you. So, it did do some damage. It threw one camper on top of a house. So, there was a tornado came through someplace not too far from here. Like I said, all I know, I believe I was asleep at that time, but it was raising Cane. And I probably had just fell asleep because I don't go to sleep till real late. But this is the area that the sun sets in today, where the pinkish, I call it fuchsia looking color is. And Puppy and Radar has been gone past couple days for some reason. They must be feeding them scraps over there at the neighbor's house. Over there in that double wide right there. Because Puppy and Radar's been over there. So, I'm assuming they're feeding them scraps. But see, in the opposite side of the sky, we also still have some pink fuchsia. Which is beyond me. Okay, well, I can put the dogs out. It's a little chilly now. Probably in like the, sorry about that. Probably in like the upper 60s maybe. It's, like I said, oh boy. Do stop. Sorry guys, I gotta spin around. Hopefully I don't make you all dizzy with it. But I'm trying to get back over here so that I can show you all the sky. And then I'll get off here, because when I'm walking him, it's hard as all get out to do anything. He's blind and he pulls me in 20 directions. So, okay. Well, there it is. Ooh, that over there is real pretty. Wow. Let's see if I can get to the backyard. Hold on. This dog, I'll tell you. Can y'all see that? I mean, the trees are in the way. That is just gorgeous. Why am I hearing? Keep hearing like a dog going, oh, oh. Real. I don't know what that is, y'all. I hope it's not one of my dogs. Well, I know it isn't Zeus, and I know it's not Wendell. Oh, it's next door. But, yeah, look at that sky. Wow. Oh, my Lord. Did y'all hear that? I don't know what on earth. Oh, my God. They are shooting so much, y'all, that my daughter's dog just tried to run out under the house. And radar just come running over here. And here comes Puppy. So they are scared. Look at Puppy's running, y'all. You see him? See him? He's running. Alright, guys. Alright. I mean, like I said, he's still got a little limp, but he is putting some pressure on that foot. And, you seen him run. So he's doing really well. I know y'all wanted an update on him. He's back to his old self somewhat. Well, he keeps wanting to mess with Zeus. I'm trying to get him in the frame. But, yeah, he's back to playing, running, biting. And he's able to get back in my camper. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with the skin on his ear. I still got to get him to the vet because I do want to get that leg checked out. And, pretty sure that he needs some shots and whatnot. So, I'm going to try the beginning of November. I couldn't come up with the extra funds to do it this month and get my truck out of the shop. I just couldn't do it. But he's not been suffering. Like I said, I did give him Ultram. And, so he's not been in pain or suffering or anything. I want y'all to see that he's, like I said, he's doing real good. You see he's sitting on both paws. It's not just like hanging freely like it was. He actually has some use of it. He may, unless the vet can still do something for him, he may have a little limp. You know. But all in all, he did way better than I thought he would without vet care. So, as I said, I will try to begin in November to at least go get him checked out and get his shots and all that. So, but yeah, so Puppy wasn't out here, and he showed up, and I figured I'd go ahead and give you an update on how he was doing. Like I said, he's doing pretty good. He's able to jump up in my house again, playing and biting, and he's back to his old self, pretty much. Now with these cool days, you know, I may have to, I noticed yesterday and today, he was having a little bit of a problem. Like I could tell he was hurting a little, so I may have to go get him a little piece of Ultram. And when I take him to the vet, I will record it. What I didn't know was, you know, I told you about the 45 I sent back, and then another 20 was sent back. I don't know why. So that was $65 off what we had. And that would have put me having to add the extra. I thought I could do it this month, but it didn't work out that way once I got done with the truck. Alright then. Y'all have a good one.